A group of believers and followers of the supreme religious authority in the city of Majunga, Madagascar, commemorated the martyrdom anniversary of the sons of Muslim bin Aqeel, peace be upon him. A group of Shias attended and participated in the morning ceremony, which included a lecture delivered by the director of the Shirazi-affiliated centers in Madagascar, Sheikh Wasram, in which he spoke about the importance of establishing the Husseini rituals while adhering to preventive measures in the months of Muharram and Safar. The ceremony concluded by recalling the calamities of the Ahlulbayt, peace be upon them. Food was served to the attendees.